Imagine you are at a networking event and you meet people for the very first time. How do you approach them? What are you going to tell them? What's your story and how do you get to the point? These and some further insights are provided in our workshop on mastering the art of pitching your story in less than 3 minutes and sometimes even 3 seconds only. So the story structure is very simple. We will provide the structure for you and then it's up to you to also develop your story, your pitch, and a few of the participants will have the chance to present their pitch and you will get a lot of feedback from my side and from Suparna Banerjee. Who are we? I'm Steven. I'm your trainer and facilitator for any kind of presentation, also for pitching your story. And Suparna Banerjee, she's my colleague. She is a social scientist and she will provide insights into the human behavior behind any kind of communication. We very much look forward to meeting you on Friday, October 8 in the afternoon, and after the workshop you will be able to pitch your story and have a great network. That's our promise. We look forward to meeting you. Have a great time.